Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you why it's important to keep an emergency kit, a tire emergency kit in your car. So what I keep is a rechargeable inflator that I got off of Amazon. This one is Astroni or something, Astrioni. I have these screw-in plugs that I got off of Temu. I think I got this whole pack of, I think it's 20 repair screws in there with the screwdriver provided. I think I paid like $4, $5 for this, and then a needle nose pliers. So let me show you where the screw is in the tire. So if you can see here, I got a screw in the tire. So I'm obviously in front of my house right now, but I actually had to do this recently in a Walmart parking lot. So when I say that I know it works, I know it works. So I'm gonna show you. So the first thing you wanna do is get your needle nose pliers. I already was kind of pulling this out, so that's why it's not flush. But so normally, I can show you. Normally it's flat down like that. So you're gonna have to kind of get a grip of it here and yank it out. As you can see, there's still a little air left in there, but the tire was already flat. So we'll put the screw here, needle nose is over. Then these are really simple. So they sit in these little capsules, and you pop it open here, and hopefully you can see it. It has a little plastic film or whatever this rubber film is there, and then it's just a screw, right? And then they provide you with a little screwdriver. So once you get the nail or the screw out, you simply kind of push it in there a little bit, and just like anything else, you just screw it in there. You're gonna have to give it a little bit of weight. So I kind of palm it here like this, if you can see, so I can kind of push while twisting. And as you can already hear, the air is stopped, and you get it in there good. You know, a little less than flush is fine. This is just a quick way, and you see how quick this goes. So I'm gonna turn this on here. It's good to keep in the car, but you always want to check it every few weeks or whatever, because I don't know if the battery actually dies down or not. So you can see it's 7 pounds. Obviously we'll pump it all the way through, but and it'll take it all the way to the air pressure it needs to be. But I'm gonna cut this off because I don't want the video to be 7 minutes of me pumping. So I already have, like I said, I'm at the house, so I have my compressor. So I'm just gonna fill this up with air really quick, just to make the video faster. But if you're on the side of the road, that rechargeable air compressor works perfect. I've used it plenty of times, so no problem at all. And I'm just gonna put the pressure to 40 right there, and as you can see, it's there. Let me see if I can get a spray bottle really quick. Alright, so I don't have a spray bottle, but I just put some water in this bucket, and we'll just put it here to show you there's no bubbles, right? There's no air, and it's gonna hold. So so for, you know, you can get these on Amazon too, I think. They're probably nothing about $5, $6. And then one of these, which you can probably get around $20, and this at Harbor Freight or anywhere else is probably another $3-4. So let's just say all around $30. If you get stuck on the side of the road with a nail, you can fix it in a matter of seconds and back and going, and you don't have to ask for a tow or anything like that. It is a little bit more tricky if you have it on your rear tire. You're gonna need to probably roll up on something, or you're gonna have to come from the back side, move the car to where you can see the nail and then get it from that angle, but still very easy to do. But yeah, emergency kit, gotta have in your car.